Happy Gundu ran home from school with his trophy. Gundu excitedly showed the trophy to his surprised mother. His proud mother hugged and kissed him on the cheek. They sat together on the porch at sunset, feeling happy. Later, Gundu ate a delicious dinner, served by his mom. Gundu slept deeply outside on a cot next to his trophy. Gundu dreamed he was flying high in the sky with a robot. In the dream, he landed in a futuristic city filled with drones. He saw people walking happily with their personal robots. Gundu asked a robot if it could ever feel happy or sad. Gundu asked the robot if it experienced joy when winning or enjoyment when eating tasty food. The robot clarified that while it could perform complex tasks, it was incapable of feeling emotions like happiness or sadness. The roosters in the village were loudly saying, "Coo-coo-coo," and the sun was already up in the sky. But Gundu was still sleeping deeply like a stone. His mother came close and softly said, "Wake up, my little champion." Gundu opened his eyes quickly, confused and shocked. Was that only a dream? Gundu happily telling to his mother that, "We are humans, we should be happy," her mother also happy to know that humans are very special than technology. Finally, both of them were happy. We humans are special. AI is just a tool, and life is beautiful when we live it as humans. Artificial intelligence may think fast, but only humans can feel, and that is our real power. AI is a tool. Humanity is the gift. Don't fear AI, use it. Being human is the real magic. AI has intelligence. Humans have heart. AI assists. Humans exist with purpose. AI can learn, but only humans can love. This story is created with love by botsDNA.com. Thank you very much for watching.